In a big loss for Manipur, eminent theatre personality Ratan Thiyam passed away in the wee hours today at the age of 77 after prolonged illness at RIMS Imphal. People including renowned artists, politicians and his students paid floral tributes to the mortal remains of a theatre icon at Chorus Repertory Theatre in Uripok Haubam Diwan Lekai, which he founded in 1976. A recipient of India's fourth highest civilian award, Padma Shri, in 1989 and Sangeet Natak Academy Award winner in 1987, Ratan Thiyam was famous for blending traditional Manipuri art forms with modern craft, innovation and poetic narratives. Founder of the Imphal-based Chorus Repertory Theatre in 1976, Thiyam briefly served as the chief of the New Delhi-based National School of Drama NSD from 1987 to 1988. Ratan Thiyam has also received the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Manipur government on the occasion of the 54th Statehood Day in January this year for his unparalleled service to the state's theatre and cultural heritage. Mourning the demise of Ratan Thiyam, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, former Art and Culture Minister Langpulakpam Jayant Kumar, senior officials of both civil and police, and his fans and students took part in the floral tribute ceremony. Speaking on the sidelines, L. Jayant Kumar termed the passing away of Ratan Thiyam as a huge loss for Manipur and rest of the world. It has left a huge void in the field of theatre. Meanwhile, senior journalist N. Ibungo Chobi described Ratan Thiyam as a doyen of theatre who emerged once in every 1,000 years. The senior journalist also recalled the famous play of Ratan Thiyam such as Chakravyuha, Urubhangam, Uttar Priyadashi, Ritu Shabmaram and Andhyug, which have occupied special place in Indian theatre.
คอมบี้ให้มันดูดิ
Dengan sisi yang tak tahu dah bahawa mana pemiang kuasa kini soalnya ni kan baik dah theater level puting bakiri anu manganan pipi di kuasa tukku besi loi namu aku dah kaya no kang dah makali untuk pengang tu emosi feeling ama hawa macam masina macam coba bekam ama deh aku Manipuri sinda particularly theater level sinda hawa macam cakap leh ni kali itu kalau tu kau maka sakit makalgi coba mapangkan besok sina soal macamnya mangai ni ini tak nak semua dia pernah tu pernah tu nak aku suka ni sang ini
To change the theatre in Manipur when we were young. Imphal was one particular production of Tanimai, and it took the entire state, the entire country by storm. Imphal. I still remember when I was in the university in Delhi, this came to the Pragati Maidan in Shakuntalam, and the entire young crowd of Delhi could see Tamunimai's Imphal. It has been a long journey that we were very fortunate to be with him. We saw his productions. He took the world by storm with his trilogy. Chakravyuh was one that I still remember. Mr. Ratan was an exceptionally talented he will come once in 1,000 years. I have had the fortune to be with him at this very chorus, and during the time of rain when this was flooded, we had spent some time together. He was not only a director. I read some of his beautiful poetry, and he had a lovely handwriting. And in fact, I was very much inspired by his handwriting that you can still see on the board of this very chorus. He leaves behind a chapter of the theatre, not only for Manipur, for India, the entire world. And I think many people who had known him, many people who had watched his productions, his directions, his philosophy, Hiroshima. But I still can remember Imphal, as I said. That was a turning point of our sense of appreciation for theatre, for Tanimai.